Do lado do Brasil. Autorização para começar a rolar a bola nesta fase de apuramento de português. A Venezuela de José Peseiro soma o primeiro triunfo e os primeiros.
Harris had only just signed with Manchester United, and so Tavares allowing him to settle in. Gabi Jesus on the near side, brought down expertly by Gabriel Jesus, looking for the angle.
Gabi Jesus, good goalkeeping, and some directness from Brazil, which you and I also talked to find games. Huge.
Sort of effort to find Gabi Jesus here on this. Leading Nunez forward. That's a good move by Nunez.
Fernandez on that side there as well. What a great cutback. Danilo leaves his feet.
Here's Danilo. Splits the defense. It's Roberto Firmino trying for the...
Very important, Jimenez and Godin, especially Godin at left side.
He's total 6. Cavani charging into the area. Trying to square it back for Hernandez.
Unbelievable how he keeps that one alive. Silva.
De La Cruz, back post, and for Nunez, and nudged wide.
They got a...
It's a good ball by De La Cruz, breaking through lines for Cavani. Hernandez. His progress temporarily slowed. We know win over Colombia last week. Nunez to get away from 2 defenders, looking for Hernandez now. 1v1 against Renan Lodi. Jimenez catapulted into the area, looking for Edinson Cavani. He was closely marked by Thiago Silva.
Unbelievable. The mere fact that Cavani puts the body on Silva and forces the world as well.
Here's
Totally forces Cup 1 or 2 years, you're right.
That, by the way, was it was Luis Moore. Buoyed with confidence and does well to find Firmino, looking to double the lead. It's Firmino! And this time denied by Campagna. Similar to Xavi was that willingness to shoot from distance. De La Cruz pulls it back. Chested down by Nunez. Dragged across his body.
It's against Belgium.
Hernandez showed too much of the ball this time to Marquinhos.
Yep.
Impression before 2021. Crosses floated into it. Zigging and zagging with Richarlison. Leading Renan Lodi forward now in a foot race with Hernandez. Well. Lodi curls it in. Knocked down. It's a second as Richarlison doubles the lead for Brazil. Rising above the crowd to not hold the 2-0 in the Verde Amarela with a comfortable first half lead. Swings it in back post. And it'll be a foul given against Hernandez as he brings down Marquinhos. Brazil. It's Gabriel Jesus trying to get around Jimenez. Jimenez commits to foul. It's a free kick just outside the 18 for Brazil.
Yeah, that's where they've hurt you a little bit. This time Oliveras gets caught upfield.
Firmino only has eyes for goal, and Campagna has it red all the way.
I feel that.
Well done by Cáceres, who slips it through Fernandez. Richarlison's looking for De La Cruz in the box. Danilo had it covered. Back at 10 minutes gone in the second half. Momentum all with Hernandez. It's down the line for... Spotted the run of Renan Lodi, trying to pull it. Shirts Torreira swings it near side for De La Cruz. Second chance, sees a straight red, and Uruguay down a man. Them get their name called. Here's Nunez, the back heel from Cáceres. Second chance, Cáceres, and he halves the deficit with a quarter of an hour left, but it will not count. The offside flag up on
quite a spectacle. Well, this really is a great venue. It adds so much character to every game it stages. Well, this is the perfect game for all parties, not least the...